Hello everyone! Today's recipe is sun-dried tomato pasta with sausage. Before we start, let's get our hot water boiling for our pasta. Add some salt to the water, and while that is going, let's prepare our ingredients. I'm using fresh garlic today, but I want to recommend buying a jar of minced garlic if you are social distancing. These jars store well and will last you a long time. They're very easy to use and will also save you time in the kitchen. If you are using fresh garlic like me, mince it up and set it aside. I'm using fresh, spicy Italian sausages from my local grocer today, but you can use the pre-packaged ones as well. We're going to want the sausages in small bite-sized pieces. For the sun-dried tomatoes, I'm using the ones that come in a jar of oil. Now let's drain the tomatoes from the oil, but reserve this oil as we will use it to cook our sausages. So heat up a pot or large pan over medium-high heat and add some of the reserved oil to it. Once hot, add your sausage pieces. If your sausages stick like this, break them up and separate them, then stir it around to brown them all over. Once they are browned all over, add your garlic. Stir it up for about 30 seconds and then add your sun-dried tomatoes. By now, your hot water should be boiling, so add your pasta and cook it till al dente. This will be about a minute or two, less than the package instructions. Coming back to the sausages, we want the flavors of the tomatoes to be well incorporated. So cook it for another minute while stirring occasionally and then add your cream. Use this opportunity to scrape off any bits from the bottom. And then once your cream begins to boil, toss in your pasta. Toss it all together to coat it in the sauce and then season with salt and pepper. I'm adding some baby kale to my pasta today. You can use spinach if you don't like kale, but I like to pretend like I'm eating healthy, so I'm using baby kale. So stir in everything until the leaves begin to wilt, and then we're going to add a dash of smoked paprika. This will help give the dish its color and also help balance the bitterness of the baby kale. We're almost done with our dish. If you find that you want your pasta to be saucier, add some pasta water to it, and then stir until the sauce becomes thick and glossy. Let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!